Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by loading your song into Bandlab Studio and putting the equalizer on the track or master bus, because the EQ must sit where you want tonal control. Once done, enable a high-pass filter at about 20 to 40 Hz to remove inaudible rumble. This frees headroom. Next, listen through headphones and speakers to confirm the source. Make a gentle gain cut of 1.3 dB to tame harshness before boosting anything. Small moves improve clarity without creating artifacts. You now shape the tone using specific bands. Set a low shelf for warmth, cut muddy low mids around 200-500 Hz with a narrow Q, and tame harsh high mids near 2.6 kHz. Use a high shelf to brighten above 8.12 kHz sparingly. When you need precision, make narrow cuts. When you want a smooth vibe, widen the Q. Once done, compare with and without the EQ, and use the built-in analyzer to confirm changes. This helps you see resonances you might miss by ear alone. You finish by toggling the EQ on and off to a / be the result, ensuring each change improves the mix. Save the EQ as a preset for reuse, and if parts vary, automate band gains across the timeline so the EQ adapts. Bounce or export your final mix at your target loudness. Make sure levels and headroom are healthy. If something sounds wrong, solo individual tracks to isolate the problem. That single troubleshooting step usually reveals masking, phase, or routing errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.